Hey everyone, we're back with the tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a brick which opens a GUI. So first of all, we're gonna go here to the view tab and we will click on the Explorer, properties and output. These are the basic things that we need most of the time. So now let's first create the GUI. For that we're gonna go to start a GUI, click on the little plus sign, and then we're gonna add a screen GUI. Let's name the screen GUI to shop, and let's add a frame here. Let's size the frame and position it. So this will be our shop, and let's add a text label. It will be in the middle, and let's change the text to shop and scale it a bit. Yeah, so I know it doesn't look that great, but I don't have much time to decorate it and stuff. Let's just move to the scripting part. So for that we're gonna go to frame and go into properties and make the visible to false. And now let's go to workspace and add a part. So wait, where's the part? Okay, so I'm gonna move the part to here. Okay, so with this, if you're watching this tutorial, probably you're trying to make a part which opens a shop or something else. So let's scale it a bit like this. So this will be a place, so when we go here it will open the shop. So let's make it a bit thin. So yeah, we have the part ready. Let's add a script in it. Let's rename it to shop sensor. Okay, so now let's add a script in it. In the script we're going to create a function which will fire whenever we touch the part. So let's say script dot parent dot touched connect function. So in the parameter we're gonna add a hit, and now we're gonna check if the hit is a player or not. So we're gonna say if hit parent find first child humanoid root part. So usually players have a part called humanoid root part which normal models do not have. So it's gonna check if the hit dot parent, which will be the character, has a part called humanoid root part. If it is, it's gonna connect the function, and if it's not, it's gonna ignore it. So let's say print player detected. Okay, let's try this. So if I play here, so whenever I touch the part, you can see that it prints player detected. Okay, here. So let's go back to the script. Let me just zoom it a bit. So now instead of printing player detected, we're gonna make the GUI appear. Since we cannot refer the GUI in a script because GUIs are can be scripted locally, so to connect the server script with the local script, we're gonna use a remote event. So we're gonna go and replicate the storage, add a remote event. Let's name it shop. Okay, so in the script let's first define replicated storage. By the way, if we place it in replicated storage because replicated storage can be accessed through both server and client. Okay, so game get service replicated storage and local event equals replicated storage wait for child, and I'm gonna say shop. Now event fire client, but fire client always uses the parameter player, so for getting the player we're gonna use hit. Okay, so we're gonna say local character equals hit dot parent local player equals, now I'm gonna say character get player from character. So I'm gonna now add a local script and start a GUI. Okay, so this local script will be accessed whenever the player touches the pod. So first to access it, we're gonna first define replicate storage. Wait, let me just paste the same thing here. So now I'm gonna connect the function whenever this event is fired. Oh wait, let me add the parameter first. Here, player. So let's say event dot on client event connect function. Oh wait, okay, so whenever the player touches the pod, is gonna check if it's actually a player, and if it is, it's gonna fire the client and it's gonna connect it here, and now we can easily make the GUI visible. So let's first define player equals game dot players dot local player local shop GUI equals player wait for child. I'm gonna say player GUI, and here I'm gonna say dot shop dot frame dot visible equals true. So let's now test it out, and then I'm gonna explain what I did here. Okay, wait. Oh wait, actually I've entered equals true in the variable, and that's illegal. Shop GUI dot visible equals true. So let's play here. Let's go by touch the pod, and get player from character is not. Oh yeah, I did a mistake. Actually I did a dumb mistake, I have to say here. Game dot players I want to say get player from character, and in the bracket I want to say character. So let's, oh wait, yeah, let's just save it and now play here. So whenever we touch the part, you can see that a GUI appeared. So but there's one problem, that whenever it's gonna check that if the thing that touched it, if its parent, like if it has a sibling called humanoid root part, and if we had an NPC here, if I say build rig, you can see that if you go in NPC, the NPCs have humanoid root parts as well. So it's gonna work if a NPC touches this GUI, it's gonna open the if the NPC touches this brick, it's gonna activate the function, and it's gonna make the GUI visible. So wait, what? Okay, so for some reason it isn't working for that NPC. Well, whatever, but you still, what I like to do is change the name of the humanoid root part. That's what I usually do, humanoid root part, so it doesn't activate with the NPC, because you usually want a NPC near the shop and stuff. So yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace out.